Alright, this is what happened. I opened my Netflix account. As you can see, everything is in Arabic. So my Netflix account has been hacked. First it happened to me a couple weeks ago, and then I changed my password. But after a few days and I log in again, everything is back to Arabic again. So at first this looks really scary. I don't know what's going on, and I guess nowadays most of the people stuck at home, they all have Netflix and Hulu, this kind of stream services. Maybe this is not just me. I bet this happened to a lot of people. So I decided to make this video to teach you how to prevent this ever happening again. Simply just change your password. It's not gonna help you. First thing first, when you see this website, everything is in Arabic. Go to Google Translate and you can copy paste, or there's a much easier way. If you use Chrome browser, so it has this icon on the top, so you can simply click it. It will translate all the language to English. But just keep that in mind. This doesn't mean your account, your Netflix language changed. This is just simply the website translate one language to another. This will much easier for you to find where the things are. And next, you can go to profile management. So as you can see, I have 3 profiles, one for me, one for my wife, and for my kid. I don't know what is this, but when I select this, there are a bunch of other languages, right? So you can select English or any other language if you're from other countries. I assume this is saved, and yeah. So now at least my profile informations are in English. Go back to Netflix, still everything is in Arabic. Next step, you have to sign out from all the devices. This is really important, because the people who was watching your Netflix account, they still using it, or you just want to sign out from their device. Whatever device they're using to watch your Netflix account, that will automatically sign out this account from the phones, the laptops, or anywhere in the world. So any device in the world. So first, just sign out. That's it. So at this point, they have to re-log in order to watch your Netflix. So before they re-log in, so we can change the password. Next step, obviously, is change the password. Oh, you can also check this recent activities. It's clearly you can see someone is watching my Netflix account from their iPhone 12 Pro. It said SA. It looks like it's Saudi Arabia. So yeah, I don't know how this guy get my account, but it's really common these days. If someone get your email and email password, it's most likely you use your email and your email password for any other account. So I would say that you shouldn't use the same password, but people are lazy and you just don't want to remember 20 different passwords. So anyway, I'm sorry, so you can't watch it on your iPhone anymore, so you just have to pay for it if you want. I will pick something really complex, numbers, letters, uppercase, lowercase, and even some complex symbols. The thing is that yes, the hackers still can hack you. You don't want them to get your password easily. If they want to, they have to work for it, right? And confirm your password. And I also gonna say that since someone already have your email address, you might just want to change your email address as well. I will just change my email address. It will send you a code on your phone. That's why this is something that the hacker can't do it, because they have to have your phone as well if they want to change your email address. At this point, you already changed your account info, like your email address, password, right? And you already logged out from their device, so there's no way. They have to hack one more time to get your information. And also there's another layer of protection, I would say. Even for some reason they get your new email address and your new password, there's another way, which is you can actually set a 4-digit passcode to watch anything. I will show you what I mean. So go to account. There's like a profile lock. right now it's off, but I can just change to, of course, first enter your password. You can create 4-digit PIN, like your bank account, for example. So required. Okay, so just set 4-digit PIN. So you have to change it back to English. When I click my profile, it's asking me the PIN number. So now, if they're ready to watch it, and this will pop up. I mean, they could try from 0000 to 9999. But I mean, if they have the time. After I set all this, my account is safe and secure. I never had the same issue again. Now we come back. So everything looks good. So Netflix account is in English and the shows and the stuff. I'm just gonna play something. Yes, you still see some Arabics, but don't freak out. This is just a subtitle. So, obviously they change the subtitle. So you can set it to English or just turn it off. And that is it. I find this is the best way to secure your Netflix account. If you have Netflix account, I bet you like watching movies and shows. So if you have time, you can go ahead and check some of my short films. They're free. There is no subscription or any fees. They are not like Netflix quality, but if you have time, just go ahead. They're free. Why not, right? If you like them or if you hate them, you can leave me a comment or feedback. So that's all for this. Bye for now.